Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can apply for credit card on TD Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, now without any further delay, let's start. For that, access your browser. You can do this process from your mobile as well. Simply access your browser and type in td.com and get into their official website. So right now over here you can also choose to sign in if you already are a customer. Otherwise you can tap on this product section and go to this option of credit cards. You can see we already have to choose a credit card that matches your needs. So you can simply go ahead, choose to apply below already. Otherwise you can simply choose to scroll down a bit, and now you will be able to see if you are pre-qualified for you to receive a TD Bank credit card. Tap on get started and check if you are or you're not, so it will be easier for you to apply and receive it. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see all kinds of credit cards that TD Bank actually offers. Now when you find a particular credit card that you would like to apply for, you can simply go ahead, tap on this apply now option. Once you have done so, you will be able to see this apply, open, and fund three options. All you have to do is tap on apply now again, and now it will ask whether you are the customer or not. If you are, easy, tap on yes. If you are no, then you have to tap on no and start the process with adding your personal information. Over here, enter your first name, last name, including email, primary phone, secondary phone, and social security number, obviously your address, and everything as it asks without leaving a single information. You have to add it. Everything it will ask for you to legally verify and provide you the TD Bank credit card. Once you have done so, you will be able to tap on this accept and submit. Your request will be submitted and you will be notified regarding if it is confirmed or not. But that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.